Then let us learn about the hair. You learned about the hair, and it will have certain muscles on it. Here you see the erector muscle of the hair. You can see the erector muscle of the hair at certain time of cold or at the time of emotions. This erector muscle may cause the erection of the hair. തണുപ്പ് അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ഉള്ളപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് രോമം ഇങ്ങനെ പൊങ്ങി വരുന്ന പോലെ തോന്നും. അതാണ് ദ ഇറക്ടർ ഗൂസ് ഫ്ലഷ്. ദാറ്റ് പ്രോസസ് ഈസ് commonly called the goose flesh, because that erector muscle is acting, that is causing. So it can also make in the structure of the skin also. It can, because of the actions of this erector muscle, you can see the hair is lifted. That particular process is known as piloerection. That process at the time of emotion or in the winter, hair may be lifted up on the surface of the skin. It can give the skin a wrinkled appearance. wrinkled എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചുളിഞ്ഞ ഒരു അപ്പിയറൻസും സ്കിന്നിന് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. Then again, another thing about the hair in human being is the duration of the scalp hair is 2 to 5 years. That is its life period of the scalp hair. തലയിലുള്ള ഹെയറിനാണ് സ്കാൽപ്പ് ഹെയർ. തലയിലുള്ളത് 2 to 5 years. But in the eyebrows or in eyelashes, it is 3 to 5 months is the life period of that hair in the eyebrows or eyelashes. Then again, hair from different parts of the body show different so many differences. You know that we have hair in the head, in the chest region. Usually the males have hair growth in the chest region or in the armpit or beard, nose, etc. Inside the nose also we have hair growth, but that hair will not grow too much as the hair on the head. So it is helpful in forensic investigation at the time of crime detection. Which kind of hair from which part of the body, such things can be find out by forensic science. Then hair also provides sensation of touch because nerve fiber extend up to their bases. That point we saw. Then nail is also hardened by keratinous. Keratin meaning a protein substance that is present in the nail, that is grow. The nail usually grow from the nail root which lie below the skin at the base of the nail. Here a hard plate is there. Outer part is known as the plate, and the bed, that is just below the nail plate. From below part, the lower part that is touching the skin, that is the bed of the nail plate. Then again, another region is known as the matrix, that is usually visible as whitish half moon at the base of the nail. Usually the base of the nail, that is just below the skin surface at the base of the nail. നഖം വളരുന്ന ആ സ്കിൻ ചേർന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഭാഗമാണ് നെയിൽ ബേസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഫ്രം ദാറ്റ് റീജിയൻ ദ നെയിൽ ഈസ് ഗ്രോയിങ് ആൻഡ് ദ ഓൾഡർ സെൽസ് ടുവേർഡ്സ് ദ ടിപ്പ് ഓഫ് ദ നെയിൽ that may be pushed out so that the nail growth will occur. Then again, the sebaceous gland. Sebaceous meaning oil producing gland. So this oil producing glands on our skin can make certain problem. That are the pimples. മുഖക്കുരു എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നതാണ് pimples. That because of the sebum or oil may be accumulated on the skin in certain regions without going out of the skin. That bacteria may grow in that sebum, that is causing the pimples, that is making the bacterial growth, so that certain inflammations may occur, that is known as the pimple. Then again the acne. Acne is also like that, the pimples, if it is very large or inflamed, in such case it is known as the acne. Then blackhead is also sebaceous gland, and it may be accumulated there on the skin, and the oxidation of the melanin and sebum give it a black color named the blackhead. Such on the surface of the nose or in certain regions we can see small spot, like if you look very carefully, we can see small spot known as the blackhead, that is black in color, that is the accumulation of the sebum. Then the sweat gland, we know that the sweat gland help us to control the body heat. So at certain times, another phenomena we can see is the cold sweat, that may be because of the heat, because of the psychic influences such as fright and nervousness. ചിലപ്പോൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും പേടിച്ചാലും വേർക്കും, അതാണ് cold sweat, may be due to psychic influences such as fright and nervousness. If we have any fear of anything, sometimes sweating may occur, that is known as the cold sweat. Then again let us learn about the mammary gland. Mammary gland is present both in male and female, but only in female at the time of puberty that breast may get enlarged. So here 15 to 20 milk duct open on the nipple region. So it is like it is the derivation of the sweat gland. From the sweat glands this is produced, the mammary gland. Here you can see milk duct is present, and mammary gland, by absorbing nutrients from the blood circulatory system, from the blood it is absorbing the nutrients. These glands are absorbing calcium, other protein, etc., and make it into milk for feeding the baby. Then another gland is known as meibomian gland, that is the sebaceous gland which open on the margin of the eyelids, that their secretion is oily and serve to lubricate the margins of the eyelid. So that is a particular gland that is giving oil towards the margins of our eyelids, that are known as the meibomian gland. Then another gland is known as ceruminous gland, that are produce earwax, that are these are also sebaceous gland or the oil gland, that is a derivation of this oil gland, that is also producing earwax, which protect the delicate eardrum from dust particle and germ. When the wax accumulated, we get irritated, and when we take bath, etc., these may be removed. That can